Welcome to Talking About Your Job. This lesson covers the most common ways to introduce your profession in English. You will learn 3 main patterns plus important job vocabulary. English Learning from Scratch series. There are 3 basic ways to talk about your job. First, I work as a something. Second, I am a something. Third, my job is something. Each pattern works perfectly for professional introductions. Listen to the examples. I work as a teacher. I am a nurse. My job is a software developer. Here are common job titles you hear every day. Teacher helps students learn. Nurse cares for patients in hospitals. Software developer creates computer programs. Accountant manages money and taxes. These are basic professions everyone understands. Here are more common professions. Engineer designs and builds things. Sales manager leads a sales team. Receptionist greets visitors and answers phones. Designer creates visual artwork. Practice saying these job titles clearly. The first pattern uses present simple tense. Say I work as a job title. This emphasizes your current employment. Listen and repeat, I work as a teacher. Always use work as before the job title. This sounds very professional. The second pattern uses the be verb. Say I am a job title. This is the most common and simple way. Listen and repeat, I am a nurse. Use I am a before any job title. Short and direct. The third pattern describes your position. Say my job is job title. This focuses on your role. Listen and repeat, my job is a software developer. Use this when explaining your work position. After introducing your job title, talk about daily tasks. Use I do something or my responsibilities include something. These phrases explain exactly what you do each day. Both patterns work well together with job titles. Here are real examples of task phrases. I do customer service. My responsibilities include managing schedules. I prepare reports and presentations. Mix these with job titles for complete introductions. Now practice talking about your own job. Choose 1 pattern and 2 job tasks. Combine everything you learned today. Speak clearly and confidently. English Learning from Scratch.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.